Hi, my name is Diana Ruiz, and I picked inductive and deductive reasoning for my presentation. The first one is inductive reasoning, and it means taking information on a specific topic and making a broad generalization that's probable, but still not 100% certain. So, like it shows in this diagram, inductive reasoning goes from observation to pattern to hypothesis to theory. So, from specific to broad. In these examples, it's basically the same thing. You're looking at flowers in your garden and you know that your roses bloom every year, so you can assume that they'll bloom again this year. You're basically making a hypothesis here. It's probable that they'll bloom this year, but it's not 100% certain. Since they bloom every year, that's why it's probable, but they haven't bloomed this year, so that's why it's not certain. And the next example is you notice that the dogs on your street bark at the moment when he delivers mail. So you assume that all dogs bark at the moment. You're assuming, so it's not 100% certain. And also you only tested it out on a few specific dogs, which is the dogs on your street. Not all dogs. So it's probable that all dogs bark at mailmen, but it's not 100% certain since you only had limited variables to the experiment. The next one is deductive reasoning, which is going from one or more true statements to draw a logical conclusion. Like it shows in this diagram, deductive reasoning goes from theory to hypothesis to observation to confirmation. So from broad to specific. Unlike inductive, which goes from specific to broad, deductive is the exact opposite. So in this example, all birds have feathers, all robins are birds, therefore robins have feathers. It goes from broad, which is all birds have feathers, to more specific, which is all robins are birds, to even more specific, to robins have feathers. The next one is all noble gases are stable. Helium is a noble gas, so helium is stable. Again, broad, all noble gases are stable. To more specific, helium is a noble gas. To even more specific, which is so helium is stable. I also put this picture since it could help memorize or kind of connect since it gives you synonyms. And then I have citations. Thanks.